It's no secret that everything is getting more expensive in 2024, and car insurance is no exception. Thanks to inflation, most Americans are paying close to 50% more for auto insurance than they did in 2021, an average of $130 per month or $1,627 per year. Luckily, there is one simple step that can keep you from overpaying your car insurance, and that's comparing rates from multiple companies before you buy a policy. Now, you might think that all car insurance policies are created equal, but you'd be wrong, and here's why. Let's say you're a 23-year-old driver with no accidents on your record and one speeding ticket from the time that you were late to that job interview. If you look online or ask a friend, you might hear that Geico has the best rates for drivers your age. So, you get a quote from Geico. It looks pretty good, and you buy the policy. Yes, you might get a good rate from Geico, but by skipping the step of comparing rates, you might be leaving savings on the table. See, Geico does offer great rates for a lot of young drivers, but those rates can go up considerably if you have speeding tickets or other violations. But other insurers like Progressive might not care as much about speeding tickets and would be a better fit for your profile. Or you might find a lower rate from a smaller insurer in your area. Keep in mind, this is just one example. Every single driver is different, and insurance companies look at so many factors when setting your rates that it's impossible to predict which one will be the best company for any given driver. So that's why comparing rates is so important. Our research shows that over 50% of drivers just never bother to compare car insurance quotes, so they end up paying more than they need to. Listen, comparing rates doesn't take very long. With the Jerry app, you can get quotes from multiple insurers and compare both the rates and the coverage options in under a minute. Now, let's talk about what you can do besides comparing rates to keep your insurance costs low in 2024. Number one, check for discounts. You see, most insurance companies offer them, but they won't always advertise a full range of discounts available. For instance, Farmers has the most discounts of any insurance company, but most carriers have between 10 and 15 discounts available based on things like your driving profile, your car security and safety, how you choose to make payments, and how many policies you have with that company. Number two, sign up for telematics. One of the easiest ways to lower your car insurance rate is to download your insurance provider's telematics app. This is a tool that tracks your driving and rewards you for safe driving behavior. Most insurers have telematics, and you'll usually get a discount just for signing up. That sounds like an easy win, right? Number three, and this is obvious, avoid accidents, tickets, and major violations. Another benefit of telematics apps is that they can help you improve your driving habits and avoid becoming a high-risk driver. You see, if insurance companies see a lot of accidents or violations on your record, they will anticipate a higher rate of claims and charge you between 30 and 80% more than a driver without those risks. Yikes. Number four, drive less. Okay, if you work from home, carpool, or maybe want to start biking to work, reducing your annual mileage and overall vehicle usage can help you save money on your policy without impacting your coverage. Number five is Reshop. Over half of Americans don't compare quotes when they first buy car insurance, but a whopping 70% of people never reshop once they got a policy in place. This is where the Jerry app comes in. The Jerry app can automatically reshop your policy for you, so if the cheaper rate becomes available, you can switch to that carrier before your old policy is up for renewal. On average, drivers who switch their car insurance with Jerry save over $800 a year. It takes under a minute to check for low rates and making sure you are paying the best price for the coverage you need. So, download the app and see how much you can save.
Jerry, the AllCar app that's got your back. Because we car.